Welcome to my channel. Let's say more English.
Excuse me, do you sell newspapers here?
Yes, we do. They're near the checkout registers now.
Oh, did you move them from the front entrance?
Yes, we moved them over here this morning.
Thanks. I'm looking for today's local paper.
Are you looking for the City Times?
Yes, that's the one. Do you still have copies?
I think we have a few left.
Great. Where exactly should I look?
They're on the lower shelf beside Register 3.
Is this today's paper?
Let me check the date for you.
I think this one is yesterday's.
You're right. We must have missed that one.
Do you have another copy of today's edition?
Yes, here's one from this morning's delivery.
Was the delivery late today?
A little. It arrived about 30 minutes late.
Did many people ask about it?
Yes, several customers asked about it this morning.
How much is today's paper?
It's $2.50.
Does the Sunday edition cost more?
Yes, the Sunday paper is larger and costs $4.
I usually buy the Sunday paper for coupons.
The Sunday paper usually has more coupons.
Does today's paper have any coupons?
Yes, I saw a few inside.
Perfect. I also want to check the sports section.
I noticed a big story about last night's game.
Nice. I missed the game because I worked late.
The sports section should have the highlights.
I usually read news online during the week.
A lot of people do that now.
Still, I like reading a real newspaper sometimes.
Yeah, it can be nice to read away from a screen.
I also enjoy doing the crossword with coffee.
I think the crossword is near the back of the paper.
Thanks. I'll probably work on it tonight.
Do you need anything else while you're here?
I need a bottle of water, too.
The cold drinks are beside the next register.
I'll grab one before I pay.
Sure, I can ring everything up here.
Great. Here's the newspaper and the water.
Your total is $4.25.
I'll pay by card.
Go ahead and tap your card on the reader.
Did it go through?
Yep, it went through.
Could I get a receipt, please?
Of course. Would you like a bag?
No thanks. I can carry these.
All right. Here's your receipt.
What time does the store close tonight?
We close at 10 o'clock.
Thanks for helping me find the newspaper.
You're welcome. Enjoy the paper.
Thanks. Have a good night.
You too. Take care.